Hi, and thanks for watching. I'm Julie Watson. I'm the CEO of Stronger Than My Excuses. Now, I know we all hate being salesy, but by holding a panel discussion on your business, your service, your theme, your cause, whatever it might be, you are seen as the expert in an authentic way, the giver of information, a collaborator maybe, or a professional, the go-to person in your field. So I'm sending you this. I just wanted to send you this short video because you already know about Stronger Than My Excuses panel discussions, or you know me personally, or I may have spoken to you about our media production kit. But this video is to let you know that things have really changed up at Stronger Than My Excuses, and for the better. So we've made it easier on price and on your time to make a panel discussion. So what we've done is we've firstly removed the contract. So that makes it really simple. But all you need to do now is just follow the checklist and the information in the kit. You still get all of that information. Next, we have lowered the price because we no longer need to approve everything. So there's saving all our time on watching your videos back to approve them, and branding. Lastly, we've actually removed a lot of the criteria. So you can, once you have the kit, you can use it to make one or hundreds of your own shows in your own way, timing everything. So you only do what you have time for. You might do one now and 10 later on in the year. But look, it's so easy and economical for creating really good, genuine content. There's no excuse for not starting right now. I'm telling you that, no excuses. There's lots more to tell you. I'm really as excited as ever about how far we've come and what's in store for Stronger Than My Excuses. Contact us using the links below, and we look forward to having a chat with you soon. Bye.